Hi, in front of me is VERNEE M5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click Get Started. Then tap OK. Click on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Now tap on Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. All you need to do from here is pick the theme that you like the best. For example, that one. Click on it. Close on it and tap on Download Theme. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!